favorite Tank video, old school, is when he was in the subway ranting about something. Some lady's like, would you shut up? He's like, this is America. I have the right to say what I am. All the people around start chanting, Frank the Tank. This poor lady had no idea what was going on.
Trade one minute!
Why don't you go sit your fat ass down? He's fucking moron in the middle. Hey, look at the fucking...
You know, I don't know what your problem is. This is America where we still have the right to talk. You know, I know you like...
Tell him! Tell her!
Like the Blasio, and they don't say bullshit.
Tell her!
This is America. And I'm just speaking out
Tell her!
about a trade system that has us and still working properly.
Tell her!
Ignorant, small, tiny little piece of shit that it's